Here's some music with a nice picture on the front of it. It's a bit of a piece of stuff to play, but it does look a bit small, unless my hand's suddenly grown large. It's a book of music, but every single page is mighty small, and there's music on every page. And it says cheerfully on the front that it's music for beginners. Yes, but you've got to be very sharp-sighted beginners. It's one of my many novelties, which are much smaller than you normally expect to see something. It's a unique one. So that's one. Here's another one, which is it's a little Bible. Actually, it's a section of the Bible. It's no more than a key fob. But it's coming to pieces a little bit, so I'm going to have to take it out and I'll bring up one of the pages to the front. This is very small printing. It's really intensely small. Let's see if we can make sure I've got it the right way around. Oh, that way, like that. That's right. This is going to be Genesis in a minute, when we can get it into focus. And there's page after page. I think there's a few books in the Old Testament and a couple of the New Testament fitted into that massive stuff there. And the whole thing then fits into a little key fob holder or things of the Bible. It's minute, but a bit of fun there. I must get it glued back in again so it stays there as well. Nice one. The last one is something that a friend David Bird sent me some time ago, a little box that it came in, and it's a newspaper. It's the world's smallest newspaper. Well, they tried to say it was. So what's it look like? Well, it's called itself First News, which is a good start. I'll see if I can open up both sides so you can see the front and the back actually at the same time. And it's just a little bit of printing showing single pages with colour in some of them and some of the things you'd see in newspapers, but obviously in full size instead of this tiny size. Let's go inside and have another page there. There we are. There's another bit of fun and games. So several pages of it, all purporting to be the world's smallest newspaper and coming in a little pretty box as well. Ah, nice. Can't get smaller than that.